Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Valerie. I share travel, work life, and the journey of building my creative projects while exploring new places. This is my third video, and today I'm taking you through my last days in Atlanta before heading to New Orleans. Let's start with one place I really wanted to see while in Atlanta, the Botanical Garden. I visited in January, so it was quite cold and many flowers weren't in full bloom yet. But it's still a beautiful place to walk around, especially with the winter light installations in the evening. If you visit during spring or summer, the garden must look incredible when everything is in full bloom. I really enjoyed visiting the tropical greenhouse. There were beautiful orchids and lush plants that created a really nice tropical vibe. It's like another scenery basically, and it's also open during winter time, which is perfect. And it's warm, humid but warm, and it felt like stepping into another climate for a moment. So definitely, if you're in Atlanta and you have a little bit of time, I highly recommend you to go there. And if you have a lot of time, you can either go during the daytime or in the evening. And in the evening, you can enjoy the beautiful lights. Very romantic. Welcome to InterContinental in Buckhead for the work part of my trip. I came to Atlanta for our company's revenue kickoff, and honestly, this room is so beautiful. Lots of natural light, a really comfortable bed, great space, and a lovely view. I also love the bathroom with both a bathtub and a shower. I took some time to relax before heading out to meet colleagues. Some I already knew, and others I was meeting for the first time in person. But honestly, this room met all of my expectation. Also, the outside is really nice. You have the fitness club downstairs and the swimming pool. It's probably started already. Morning, it's breakfast time with my colleagues. Yesterday was such a great evening. I was able to meet my existing colleagues and also meet new people from the company. It's such a global team, really. And today we are going to have a lot of sessions. We're going to review the strategy for the year as well as the product release. Anyway, it's going to be really, really nice. Let's go for the sessions and ready to take some notes.
Is it possible for us to add another chair at this? Ah, amazing, amazing.
It is an Italian dish. British.
There's no North Americans allowed on the table. Pretty James.
This is it, our last evening with my colleagues in Atlanta. The company organized a game night at a place called the Third Spot. It was such a fun and relaxed environment We played games, had cocktails, some food, and just enjoyed being together outside of work. It was great. After that, it was time to say goodbye, but not completely. I had decided to extend my trip in the US for a few extra days. Guess where I am going? I wasn't exactly sure where to go next. I considered Houston. I thought about Miami, but in the end, I decided to go to New Orleans. It was my first time visiting, and I had no real expectations, just the excitement of discovering a new place. I was also flying with Delta for the first time. Great experience so far. I really like the warm welcoming on board, as well as a very nice snack. So now I am in New Orleans airport from Atlanta. I was looking for a destination that is not far from Atlanta for a few days. And yeah, so I got the plane from Delta with Delta. It was just 1 hour, 10 minutes, so it's perfect.
Are you stuck staring at your W-2? Our tax refund worries feds on right now. Using TurboTax on Intuit credit card, they find every credit and deduction.
Nice. What a beautiful apartment, honestly. High ceilings and that perfect mix of charm and elegance. Truly a stay we won't forget. And great bathroom, enough space as well. And hello? Oh my god. It's a whole vibe, honestly. I wish I was able to own an apartment like that, even a proper wardrobe. Oh my god, that's huge. Oh wow, how are we gonna do this? After the Irish pub, it was time to dive into New Orleans cuisine. We headed to a spot in the French Quarter, tried their famous oyster with a rich, flavorful sauce and some classic jambalaya, then made our way to the party street to keep the night going.
Yeah, rain from midday till 8.
It's a lot the whole day. Whenever I travel, I always bring my handmade jewelry with me. I love wearing it when I can, and it's so special when people stop me to ask where it's from. It's a perfect way to create content and share my work with the world. And I'm shipping worldwide as well. So, this is a new collection that you can find online.
Won't be able to find it anywhere, that burner. Come on. Woo! Right on, baby. Right on, baby.
Ah ouais.
Oh, baby, keep on doing.
There's war in Britain. America wins the lottery. That's the main winners. America wins King. Bigger church. That burns down in 1788. So then comes in the Baron Almonaster, who's a wealthy Spanish noble. He says, good time, alcohol. Alright, I'll check the fries.
We're the nice people.
Served them, we encase the bricks in stucco, like you see here. Stucco, by the way, is also fire resistant. Spanish, that's because I've exposed brick wall. Italy? Okay.
We had the gumbo and the jambalaya, which was really good. The Disco Warehouse is a hidden gem in New Orleans, a vibrant open-air art space filled with local galleries, bold murals, and creative energy. It's really colorful, and you can find art everywhere, from paintings and sculptures to quirky street-style pieces. It's the kind of place where you can wander, discover unique artists, and feel the creative soul of the city. Perfect for exploring, taking pictures, playing ping pong, and soaking in the more local artistic side of New Orleans. It was a cold, raining day, so it was time to have a tea, hot tea, like in London. And we found this really great coffee place. And I really, really liked the decor, and this pink vibe was really lovely and really welcoming. And we also had madeleines. It was really, really yummy. I highly recommend you this place if you want to stop by and have a little break in between visits. The ghost tour wasn't exactly what we expected. It was actually pretty light and not really scary, but honestly, it turned into a fun night meeting locals and other travelers and just enjoying the vibes. And then we had some food around the French Quarter, and we discovered this really nice pub. It was really delicious. We arrived just before Mardi Gras and got to see some parades. The celebration starts weeks before Mardi Gras Day, Fat Tuesday. Different groups organize parades across the city, and these parades feature huge decorated floats, music, and people throwing beads and gifts into the crowd. I tried to get some beads, but it just didn't work. It was crowded. While the biggest parade are uptown, you can also catch smaller, more spontaneous ones around the French Quarter, like the one we were able to see. The closer it gets to Mardi Gras, the bigger and more frequent the parades become. So yeah, you will be able to experience the early carnival vibe, which is just great. It's more relaxed, less crowded version of the big celebration, but still super festive. Have fun!
How authentic, I mean, dripped on too.
had such an amazing time on French Main Street. The vibe was unreal, music everywhere, that old school charm, open bars with people singing out loud, and crowds just dancing in the streets. Such a special energy. What a beautiful city, honestly. I arrived here on Friday. I love it. I just love it. It's stunning. It has a lot of charms. I would say if you come here at least 4 days, 3 days, there are so many things to do. 4 or 5 days will be great. And I didn't know I will see a parade yesterday. So they start already getting ready for Mardi Gras. So they start the parade before. So nice. Such a good vibe. The food, the atmosphere, the architecture. It's stunning. It's so rich in terms of culture. So if you ever feel like visiting, please do. Right now it's raining, but around 4 p.m. We will go for food tour. Now that's something I really love doing when I'm traveling. Food tour, it's really nice. In the next videos, I will be taking you along on a New Orleans food tour and sharing more fun things to do around the city. Before heading back to Atlanta, then London. Stay tuned!